Here's a quick video that shows how our application OnRamp can connect to BreatheHR HR system. So here, amongst all the connections support today, Breathe is one of the systems. And to connect to Breathe, we all need is the URL, API endpoint, and an API key. This is something that system administrators who have access to Breathe can easily get from the system. And this API key helps us connect to Breathe's API and pull employees. OnRamp is an application that is able to pull data from Breathe and other HR and ATS and recruiting systems, such that as soon as a new employee is added, we can pull that employee's information and start their onboarding process. And the way we do that is by creating a flow. So here in OnRamp, we have the concept of flows where you can set up the name, a trigger, and a trigger can be of various different connections, including Breathe. And then you select a bunch of tasks. So here I have created one flow already where the trigger that I've selected is Breathe HR new hires. And I've also set up a bunch of different tasks. So the idea here is as soon as a new employee is added to Breathe, we can pull that information and start their onboarding process by creating these list of tasks. All of this is completely configurable in the sense that you can set up any tasks that are relevant to your organization. You can pull data from other systems, automate tasks, for example, setup of Azure account or other systems like Workspace, Google Workspace, or Okta. We integrate with them. You can send welcome emails, collect additional information from new hires by sending them a form that they can fill in, etc. So this is how we integrate with Breathe. And now if I quickly trigger one of these flows, I can manually trigger them or also schedule them so that data is pulled from the system on a scheduled basis. And if I go to my filter, I see these kind of issues that get created. So for example, from Breathe, I have a couple of employees that were pulled because they are new hires. And if I click on any one of them, I will then see the list of tasks that were defined as part of the flow. So this is one way in which OnRamp helps automate the process of onboarding or offboarding by integrating to HR systems like Breathe, as well as helping automate several tasks that are very common in any onboarding process.